One of the many things that's holding me back a little bit in my life and living a truly fulfilled life is all of the projects that I walk by every single day and just don't do them. Oh, so many things, and they could just take seconds or minutes out of my day, but I just decide not to. And in my brain, it just clogs my brain up with like, oh, I really need to finish that. I need to clean that. That's really greasy, whatever it is.
This is Teresa Figures It Out. I'm finally doing all the things I've been putting off. Stop daydreaming and start doing with me. I'm Teresa. Every video I tackle something I've been meaning to try, learn, cook, or finish, because we only get one life. Come figure it out with me.
Hey, welcome back to a very different location than we normally are. We are not in my kitchen. We're in a different room in my house, and that is because I want this video to be a little bit of a departure, to branch out into other things in life that I really want to start working on. I want to finally do all the things that I've been putting off. I know you put things off too. If you are new here, hello, I'm Teresa from Teresa Figures It Out. I am trying to figure out life. I'm trying to live my life more fulfilled. I'm making the things that we have to do easier in life so that we can get to the things that we want to do. This channel is about adventure. It's about learning new life skills. It's about marking things off your to-do list. It's about finishing projects. It's about living life fulfilled and making life easier. I really appreciate you stopping by. Please like, comment, and subscribe so we can go on this journey together. And as I'm doing projects and marking off huge life to-do lists, I also want you to be doing the same. Please comment below what you've been working on in your own life. We have so many drawers in our house. We're a family of 5. We have 3 kids and life just gets really messy. So today I'm going to tackle 4 of those drawers, and I'm going to take you along with me so we can have a satisfying before and after together and know that we are doing something really good with our time today, and that there will be something that is a little bit more clean in our house and one less thing on our brain fogging us down so that we can't get all the fun things done in life. So come with me. I'm going to pick 4 random drawers in my house and I'm going to take everything out of it. I'm going to clean and organize the drawer, put it all back together, and have a cleaner home, just a little bit of a cleaner home. Okay, let's go.
First up, I'm going to tackle a cabinet in my kitchen. It's where we keep all of our small appliances. It gets really greasy and there's a bunch of marks on it. There's just a lot of use in general. I used a degreaser spray and a scrub daddy and then wiped everything down with a clean paper towel after this. The next drawer is one of our junk drawers. It has a lot of note keeping and pens and things like that, and it gets a lot of use throughout the week. If you've seen any of my other videos, this is also where I film from. I film on this length of the countertop, just at the other side. So in those series, if you haven't seen them, I am making all of the Great British Baking Show recipes. I'm also making all of my saved meals, and I'm working with ingredients that I've never worked with before. But I generally do it from the side of my refrigerator. I forgot to do an after of this, but just trust me, it's definitely cleaner. This drawer is in our hallway next to our bathroom and it has all of our spillover bathroom items. As I was doing this drawer, I realized that the one below it was probably worse, so I really needed to tackle this one as well. I wasn't planning on it, but yeah, it's really bad. I hope you enjoyed this. This is definitely a departure for me, but I might do some more videos that are similar to this. I really liked the end product. It looks like there's still a lot of stuff in there, but it is a lot more organized. I hope that you come back for another video, and I will see you then. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.